Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving you own the device. That's essential. Once done, locate the serial number and copy the purchase invoice or receipt because support will ask. Make sure the camera or NVR is powered and on the same network as your workstation. If possible, note firmware version and account email used when registering the device and take photos of labels. This speeds up authentication and avoids risky workarounds that could void warranties or break laws. Next, contact Hikvision support or an authorized reseller. That's the proper channel. Explain the situation, attach the invoice, serial, photos, and any registration emails, and request official key recovery or reset procedures. Be clear you want manufacturer-approved recovery, so they provide steps or remote assistance. Never ask for bypasses. If they require a verification form or proof of ownership affidavit, follow it promptly. Keep records of all correspondence and ticket numbers for follow-up and accountability. Finally, follow the vendor's recovery instructions carefully, using only official tools and firmware they provide. This prevents bricking. Once the key or reset is complete, immediately update firmware, set strong unique passwords, and re-register the device to your account. Verify encrypted streams decrypt as expected and check logs for anomalies. If you run into errors or delays, escalate to the reseller or an authorized technician. Document everything. Troubleshooting tip: if support can't verify ownership, pause and gather clearer proof rather than a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.